Now to an exclusive interview with Mexican President Enrique Pena Nieto. He sat down with Bloomberg editor-in-chief John Micklethwait, who asked him if he plans to reappoint Mexico's central bank head, Augustin Carstens.
I think he has done an excellent job. And I have to say that he has acted very professionally, and it has been demonstrated as a governor of the Central Bank of Mexico. He also proved his diligence in other financial areas. For example, the International Monetary Fund.
President Pena Nieto went on to say he'll announce his final decision in December, and you can hear more of our exclusive interview with him tomorrow right here on Bloomberg Television. Joining me now is Bloomberg anchor Mark Crumpton with more on this. The midterm elections, Mark, just held over the weekend. What's the takeaway?
Interesting, because there was some sense that maybe it might have been at least some of the people of Mexico saying that they are not pleased with the policies of Mr. Pena Nieto, but that doesn't seem to be the case because he may hold on to his majority, his PRI party. They've been an entrenched power in Mexico for decades. But it was interesting about Mr. Carstens because it didn't seem that President Pena Nieto gave him a ringing endorsement, did it?
No.
He's going to have to say, what did he say? We'll wait and see until December. I looked up some stuff about Mr. Carstens. While he's been the head of the central bank in Mexico, it's cut rates to record low 3% to boost an economy that's repeatedly been below forecast. That's been Mexico's problem for a while now. Inflation has slowed to the lowest level since 1968. Back in May, it was at 2.88%. Mr. Carstens said that if he was asked for a second term, he'd accept. But he hasn't been asked yet.
It's not the kind of thing you'd see with a U.S. government official, right? I mean, a president normally, if asked if he's going to keep one of his cabinet members, will say we stand fully behind him. And is that not the case in your experience? You're a political historian. But
you know what's interesting? Because it's almost like that is not the ringing endorsement, because if the president says, we stand behind you 100%, that usually means you're 1 foot out the door already. But we're going to have to wait and see. But again, that interview by Mr. Micklethwait with President Pena Nieto, you can see that on Bloomberg.com. That's fascinating.